A CVT equipped vehicle will at the very least require a reset to the basic factory program once a repair has been made to a major component. For instance, a CVT could be completely rebuilt and installed back in the vehicle and with the proper fluid, only to function horribly on the road test. At that point, you might want to do a computer relearn to reset the shift adaptations. This will typically require a scan tool and it will complete the job. Some CVT equipped vehicles might have 3 or 4 modules to control the operation of the transmission. First, the engine control module will manage the operation of the engine. This module works with the transmission control module. Inside the transmission, the valve body might have other modules that monitor the performance of the solenoids inside the valve body. All 3 modules must be addressed as part of some CVT repairs. Based on the year, the make, the model, and the transmission, you may have to do a relearn sequence that requires a test drive. This could be very specific and involve a certain shift sequence. This procedure will work in most cases. However, it may require driving the vehicle for a specific amount of time and at a specific speed to satisfy this monitor. A better option is to use a scanner and the OBD2 connector. This way you can reset the necessary settings for the transmission instead of going for a test drive. There are certainly instances where the scanner does not have the specific program to get the job done, which may require driving the vehicle. Beyond relative basic relearn procedures, the issue with reprogramming, you're going to need to do that if you're replacing a valve body or a transmission control module. The computer may need to be programmed or reprogrammed for a couple different reasons. For instance, it's a brand new computer. Basically, it is dumb or blank and needs to be programmed with the vehicle's functions and what it does and the type of transmission. This may actually cause a no-start condition if it's not properly programmed. Another example could be an existing computer that requires updating due to deficiencies when the vehicle was originally manufactured. There are several ways to perform reprogramming and resets at your shop. The first option might be a scan tool. Many high-end scan tools can reprogram to put a module into a relearning mode for a test drive. The next option is a JBox or the factory programming tool. Last, well, you can reprogram remotely using a tool like this. This is self-contained. It even has a power supply for the vehicle and an internet connection. We're going to talk more about these tooling options in the next module of Transtar Tech University.